Hello, Mansicilians! How are you guys doing? I hope that you are good and safe. Goals don't always hunt the dead. Sometimes they live with the ones we love. We all know na happy na ang Halloween or kalaglagan. So, naaday may i-prepare na special question nga i-answer sa mga student sa Fast Talk. And that question is, what is your greatest fear? Or unsa imong pinaka-gikahadlukan? So, andam na ba mo? Kung andam na, let the Fast Talk. So, your question is, what is your greatest fear?
Well, my greatest fear is losing someone I love.
So for me, I think it's the future. Okay ba unsa ko puhon, but sana kay ba ko nga ang results sa karon nga present kay mo reflect sa future, but may tagdili ko matapulan niya, makita ko daghang opportunity karon na makatabang sa future. So I think future gid akong giadlukan. Na if dili ko better karon, how come na sa future?
Greatest fear is to fail because karang ako kay breadwinner man ko, so karang daghan og expect sa ako, so karang if I fail daghan na ma-disappoint.
My greatest fear would be failure. You know, I am afraid in committing mistakes. I am afraid to file a compilation without passing on its due date. But one thing that I've always taught myself is that to look for the beauty when it comes to failure. You know, failure is part of the progress in life. And so I use it as my instrument to become better, to become wiser, and to be more efficient as a student leader as well. To become, wise enough in making decisions in life.
My greatest fear is fear of ocean or thalassophobia, because when I was a kid, I watched Jaws movie. It is a movie with a lot of sharks, and since then, whenever I go to the beach or near the sea, I always get scared of the water. That's why I stay away from them.
Well, basically, my greatest fear would be failure to achieve my goals in life, since I am doing my best to achieve it, to bring back the goodness of my family, and also to prove that I can help them in the future, not only for myself but for my family.
Ako ang pag-failure nga dili ma-meet ang standards nga needed.
Ang gihadlukan is about next year, so UGT naman kanya. So wa okay ba kung mag-unsa ba ko aning UGT or asa ko mangita. So og karon sad nga capstone kanang di pa so sure kung ready na ba mi ani, kay even though third year na ko kanang dili jud ko kanang confidence akong kanang IT nga skills.
Probably it's kanang mahutdan ko kwarta and mawala siya.
So my greatest fear is kanang mawala akong family. Since sila man akong strength, so if ever gani mawala sila, so there's no need or wala na rason pa para akong kuan kalibot.
Thank you to all the students from different courses and year levels for joining our Fast Talk. Stay brave, stay positive, and most of all, stay glowing. Mansicilians, mga sidlak sa ninyong tanan.